Best pedestal sink for small bathroom. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of bathroom design. If you have a small bathroom and are looking to save space without sacrificing style, a pedestal sink might be just what you need. Let's explore the best pedestal sinks for small bathrooms. So let's get started. Here are some details about each of the recommended pedestal sinks for small bathrooms. Number 1. Kohler. Design features a contemporary style with smooth lines. Size typically around 24 inches wide, making it ideal for small spaces. Storage. Some models include a built-in shelf for essentials. Number 2. American Standard Cadet. Design classic look with a traditional feel. Size available in various widths, often starting at 22 inches. Durability made from vitreous china, ensuring long-lasting use. Number 3. Duravit D Neo. Design modern aesthetic with sharp angles and a minimal profile. Size compact options available, around 24 to 26 inches wide. Versatility pairs well with different bathroom styles, from contemporary to classic. Number 4. Glacier Bay. Design affordable with a simple and clean appearance. Size models often range from 18 to 24 inches, fitting snugly in tight spots. Value offers great functionality at a budget-friendly price. Number 5. Porcher. Design elegant and refined, perfect for small, upscale bathrooms. Size usually around 24 inches with a slim profile. Finish available in various finishes to match your decor. Tips for choosing the right pedestal sink. Measure your space before purchasing. Ensure the sink dimensions fit your bathroom layout. Height considerations. Standard height is around 32 to 34 inches, but make sure it suits your comfort. Faucet compatibility. Check that the sink can accommodate your chosen faucet, especially if it's wall-mounted or has specific drilling requirements. Style matching. Choose a design that complements your overall bathroom theme, whether modern, traditional, or eclectic. Thanks for watching. Check out our new video. And don't forget to subscribe. Leave a like if you enjoy.